In Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo, local environmental defenders and climate activists gathered to reflect on the challenges they face. The event was organized through a collaboration between WRI and the ACEDH organization. This event brought together a diverse group of participants with the aim of identifying the specific needs of these actors who have been committed to environmental protection for many years. Mr. Olivier Ndoole, an ecologist from Goma, is the head of the ACEDH organization, has this to say. This is a listening session that aims to gather the needs, the challenges, and even the successes of human rights defenders within the framework of a project called STAND. It is therefore an international initiative of consolidation and solidarity in favor of environmental defenders at the local level. That is what it means, and it is therefore about seeing how to create ways and means to support local defenders in terms of not only capacity building, but also in terms of access to small grants to support their activities. It is in this context that this activity was organized with the WRI organization for the Goma session. And it is in this way that the defenders themselves were there to give, after being listened to, their needs, to document their processes, priorities, and what needs to be taken into account within the framework of this program. Naturally, there is next step. As you know, there are the needs that have been expressed. WRI has listened to the defender organizations. Their needs in terms of not only mechanisms or procedures in terms of recourse. General needs, for example, for the coalition and security and all the needs, but you constitute a package, and this package will be translated into priorities and pillars for interventions within the framework of the project to support local defenders. The STAND project remains an initiative that also responds to the call of environmental defenders. These projects aim to increase the financial capacities of environmental defenders to face the risks they face and to improve the integration of environmental protection and defense. Patrick Okoko, WRI's Good Governance Officer, welcomed the participation of many ecologists in the session. For him, these are the first steps for the environmental defenders of North Kivu. The way we work was carried out with seriousness, professionalism, and commitment. And there directly I turn to thanks to all the participants and thank you very much. The level of engagement of the actors in the East is always to be commended for this type of activity. And so it is on behalf of the hierarchy of WRI World Resource Institute, on behalf of the National Director, Mr. Eli, as well as the whole team that we say sincere thanks to this activity. We sincerely encourage you to play an active role in this type of process, and especially the teams, the editors in the different teams. It is not possible to integrate all the aspects you will share with the Commission at the level of the Secretariat to finally have a final document that will be shared, because we hope that at the end of this work we will do a synthesis, and before the training team intervenes, we will certainly have a restitution session. For this mission, the identified needs include technical and scientific training. Many participants expressed the need for in-depth training on the environment, such as natural resource management and the impact of climate change.